north entrance of Yellowstone. Haven't quite gotten there yet, but this is the road that leads to that. And the views are just totally spectacular out here. I mean, it's incredibly beautiful no matter where you look. Really, really cool, folks. If you haven't been up this way, or you haven't been to this area, I highly recommend you do. If you're into nature and you're into checking out the scenery and the views. Haven't seen any bear yet. I don't know if there is any bear in Wyoming. They say there is, but I haven't seen any yet. So I've been kind of making fun, saying there's no bear in Wyoming, but incredibly cool, folks, incredibly cool. Crowds here at Yellowstone haven't been too bad today. I mean, it's a Monday and there's been quite a few people here, but it's not been overrun. I've been able to find parking spots every place I've stopped, so it's been really cool. Been seeing a whole lot of cool views up here, a lot of neat things. Saw a lot of bison earlier, so it's been a really cool day so far. We still got a little ways before we're out of Yellowstone. We're at Dunraven Pass right now, elevation 8859. So yeah, really cool. right, it was a great trip up to Powell. Got to see Yellowstone, got to see not Yellowstone. Got to hang out with Cousin Jim for a while. Really good time. The smoke was kind of rough up there this trip. Uh, Figures that the day I'm leaving, it seems to be clearing out a little bit. Not as much smoke, but overall, a really great trip.